In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off or restart iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first and the most common way to turn off an iPhone is long press at the same time volume up button located at the left edge of your device and the power button located at the right edge. Just long press both of these buttons at the same time, and after a couple of seconds this screen will appear, and then to turn off an iPhone we just need to drag this slider to the right. Another way to turn off an iPhone 15 is head over to Settings, then General, and then if we scroll down to the very bottom we can easily find Shutdown here. It gives us the same screen where to power off our device we need just to drag it to the right. However, guys, there is one more way that may help you to turn off or restart your iPhone when it is frozen or it doesn't respond to your commands. It also calls force restart. To use this method, we need to quickly press and release volume up button, then press and release volume down button, and then press and hold power button. We need to do it really quickly. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. Just keep holding it until the screen will turn off, and then keep holding it until Apple logo appears on the screen. That's how we can easily force restart an iPhone if it is frozen or if it doesn't respond to our commands. Then just wait for some time until our device will load up as usual. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.